Hi everyone, welcome back. Today let's have a very short unboxing with me, and as you have read the title, it is the POCO X5 Pro 5G. I have been waiting for this package for a week, and I bought it at the POCO official global online store, and it has a 7-day free return plus the 1 year global warranty. I have bought this phone because of my sister recommended it to me. And two things that caught my eye while watching reviews on YouTube as well is the display and the camera. Especially since I like taking picture and videos, as well as watching on my phone. Social media is life, as you know. So for the display size, it has a 6.67 inch. So the screen is has a good size for watching, as well as it has a 120 hertz full HD plus AMOLED dot display. So as you know, I'm not really a tech vlogger. I mostly post about stationaries. So I'll just do my best to describe this phone. So the first thing I saw has this box thing, and inside the first thing you would see is a SIM ejector tool. Correct me if I'm wrong, but is it SIM ejector tool or just a SIM tool? And inside you would see two manuals and one warranty. And I'm glad that it comes with the jelly case, since the one that I have bought is still have not shipped out. And here's the phone itself. Then the last part would be the 67 watts turbocharging tube. It's very rare now that it has still the charger included, and the usually it's just the cable. So I'm very glad that includes the charger. So now let's focus on the phone itself. The POCO X5 Pro 5G. I got it in the black version or the black variant. The POCO X5 Pro 5G has the Snapdragon 778G processor. It has a 120 Hz Full HD Plus AMOLED dot display, dual speakers, NFC enabled, and has the display size of 6.67 inch, has a 108 MP Pro grade main camera, ultra wide and macro lenses. So now after starting it up, I'm gonna set it up first. The screen is really vibrant and it's really smooth.